made $1 billion in 19 days and it sucked. My personal opinions aside, let's look at the Barbie movie's marketing tactics. There were more than 100 partnerships, from the Barbie themed pregnancy test to ice cream to roller skates, Xbox, clothes, and even an Airbnb Barbie dollhouse. But the real magic comes with how they structured these partnerships. So they didn't come out of the marketing team's budget for Barbie, but from the brand's marketing budget. So inline skates collab, the inline budget paid for this, and every single one of these brands were paying for the Barbie IP. Leveraging their IP in this way was not only a genius marketing strategy, but it also generated huge profits for Barbie. These all created the ultimate marketing play, that whenever anyone sees pink, they think of Barbie, creating the ultimate free promotion for the Barbie team and for their products. The film is surrounded by controversy, but one thing that they absolutely nailed is its marketing and encouragement of being a Barbie consumer.